I'm gonna grab the scissors and I'm just gonna look for the piece of rubber band. Take that, snip. Easy, come off so easily. Take it, snip. This is actually way faster and more safer than taking a rubber band and literally pulling it. Doing it this way, pulling the rubber band out your lock, will cause your tips to break and thin, because all locks is just all your dead hair retaining itself. So you want to be as gentle as possible on your locks, especially the ends. Again, no pulling. Take the lock and snip the rubber band and allow it to unravel from around your lock. Safe, fast, and easy. Right, so this is my hair all taken down. All the rope twists are out. And I got the crinkles. So now I'm going to go right on into my routine. First, I'm going to hydrate it using my favorite. This is the Napstar brand. Rose water hydrating mist, and I'm going to spray this all through my scalp and also through my locks. And I'm going to take the BL's Rosemary Mint Oil, and I'm going to put this on my scalp only. Just rub that through. Just to add a little shine to my actual locks, Cray oil. Just a little bit. And boom. Quick, simple, easy, hydrated, and locks are brought back to life.